brown water. And if you have a look on the bottom, there are literal sediments there. Beep, bop, beep, bop. Okay, Yiko, clean the house.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out, this is a mopping station, a vacuum cleaner. This is an expensive piece of kit, auto clean function, auto water refill. Refills itself, it's a robot. It's got 3D scanning, AVI 3D. It's got a voice assistant, true mapping, 5,000 PA suction power. It's got 3D maps, main brush, it's got lots of stuff. Will it work?
This is everyone's dream.
The EcoVax station, vacuum cleaner, robot. The future has come. So we're about to check it out live, show you how good it is. Oh,
and you know it's going to be good when it has its own dust bag. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
Deebot, look at that. Looks like a premium piece of kit.
It's beautiful. You know what the good thing about this is that so far, okay, I have a house that's got tiles and it's got carpets. And it is so annoying trying to find something that actually like fits both. So some vacuum cleaners are good at carpets and some are good at flooring only. And I even have a vacuum cleaner that has 2 heads that I have to change constantly just to be able to clean my floors. And what's more annoying than that is I also have another steam mop that I have to carry around with me, laboriously going backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards, getting elbow pain, shoulder pain, back pain. Whereas now, simply with a press of a button, this beautiful thing can just do it all.
Hopefully. We're gonna be testing it out. Yay! Testing it out. Okay, we've got red and green. The green goes on the green and the red goes on the red.
What are these? These are like the awesome brushes.
The brushes.
The side brushes.
Sweeping, I guess, when you're cleaning away. Fit in there. You also got the mopping plates. You put them at the back there.
The good thing about the mopping plates is that they are washable. Now, I really appreciate that because, you know, when you have dirty floors like ours, you need to wash them.
All right, that's it.
Oh,
is this beautiful. One unwrapped?
This is the station, which actually is really futuristic, guys. Just take a look at this. It is a beautiful ensemble of black and silver. Now, this fits really fittingly in our house because we've got some nice white and silver tones going on. But what you can see on top over here is it opens up and OMG. I'm just going to show you guys. You've got 2 areas for the water. One is for clean water and one is for dirty water. And you just fill them up. And that is actually really generous because I'll tell you one thing, my steam cleaner, literally the amount of water I can take in is about 200 mils. So not only am I always having to go to the sink and clean it and put some more water in, it is so annoying. I just cannot get the job done in like record timing. So this is just awesome. And you've got another one over here, which is super big. I love that. It's so amazing. And it's a really nice, generous size. And you just have to take away all of the foam packagings, rip it all off, make sure it's all nice and tidy.
Is this the one that you fill up?
This is the one you fill up.
What's this one?
No, look at the top, this is tap.
Oh, what's this
That's the dirty one.
This is dirty.
That's the dirty one, this is the clean one. Look at this, look what I found, Ash. It's a little cleaning brush. Brush your teeth with that, open that wide.
All right, I'm ready for you. This is, you want to put that in?
Yes, I'm so excited.
What's that?
This is what,
Let's go here.
Oh my God, it's a spare.
Spares.
Oh, I love this already. I haven't even turned it on. No, seriously, from someone who has tried a steam, oh my God, it's got 2. It's got 2. I'm sorry, okay. I spent a lot of time cleaning the floor.
You love cleaning, don't you?
I've only got 2. I've only got 2.
I got a job.
And when you have 4, it's like a
I got a job for you.
What?
Let's put this in where it goes.
I love this.
And it's on already because I plugged it in. We're ready to go with this review. So the clean water one goes on the left.
That's why I'm struggling. There we go.
So there's a play button on the station.
There's the play button.
Tap on it.
Start cooling. Please make sure there is sufficient water in the cool water tank.
Oh, it's finding its home! Oh my gosh, they're full!
And the charging station also has a recall button. So if you want to get back, oh, it's coming? No. Press this button and it's going to get it, send it back home.
And right now it is cleaning itself. What a beautiful thing. It did all the hard work, it cleaned up all of the crumbs, and now it is time to clean its beautiful self up. All vacuum cleaners should do this, and all mops should just self-clean. This is so cool.
I do like the idea of self-cleaning.
I do too.
So you can see here, that it's actually sending water to the dirty chamber to clean up. It's running.
Okay, well, I'm going to have a look at the dirty water. Although this area is not dirty whatsoever, I'm always fascinated with the dirty water. Ew, it's actually dirty. How on earth is that so dirty?
Okay, that was from the first run. I'm going to run it again. Hopefully now this time it's got some water to do the mop in. So I'll hit play.
Continue cooling.
Aha! You missed a bit.
Give it a right old clean. Oh,
Whoa! Just ate that one up.
yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. So it's figured out, but it didn't go around it and do that backside there. Maybe because this was in a central location there, so maybe you need to put this in the corner of it.
Well, yeah, but the good thing is with the app, you can just tell it where you want it to go. You can even talk to it as well. You can say, okay, Yiku, clean under the sofa. Oh my gosh, I just love how clean it is.
Yeah, I like the mopping.
Cool,
the mopping
isn't it?
function
It's so
it's still wet, a little bit wet.
Yeah, but that's great because it means it's clean. Like, I might just use this to clean the bench
It
top
was really
as well.
buffing out one of the sections, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at
It's
that.
clean and
I like that it
tidy.
auto refills. And I guess it will tell you when it runs out of water, clean water.
Yeah, I also like that it cleans itself because, like I said before, it is such a pain having to clean those mopping brushes in the washing machine, whereas this just does it by itself. All right, it's time to check out how much dirt was picked up. Let's have a look. Oh, that is gross. I didn't think our kitchen bench up was that dirty, but that is revolting. So, thank you, Mr. EcoVac Deebot, for cleaning my lovely kitchen bench top. Now I feel a bit more reassured that the rest of my house is going to be nice and clean as well, and there'll be no germs on the floor. So I would like to thank you from my heart. Now you've got a lot of work to do, so you better get charging because I've got some big jobs for you. Big, big jobs.
All right, guys, so just finished cleaning up the place. What do you think of the result?
I actually am quite impressed. When I walk around barefooted, you get that nice, fresh feeling of the tiles being nice and clean.
That being said, there are a few crumbs there and then, so that's something you need to tweak using the app. Now, the app, I didn't install it. It does require an internet connection. There's no way for you to communicate to the device directly, so that's a bit of a negative or a bit creepy. But other than that, you can set up exclusion zones to help it not attack your furniture. It does get very close to your furniture, and these are bristles. So it didn't damage any of our furniture, luckily, and we got some nice furniture. It didn't damage it, but I'm a bit scared of how close it gets, and it does like bumping into the furniture. It especially doesn't like cables. If you have any cables lying around, it will just go for them, get tangled in them, and it won't stop. It just keeps on going. It's gonna drag something with it. Something's gonna give, but generally, I know it sounds like a bit of a negative there. Generally, it's AI system with the dual cameras and all that kind of like stuff, the mapping. It's pretty clever. I mean, when you first run it on the app, you have something called a quick mapping section. It just goes around the place and you can actually tune in with the cameras to see it walking around.
That's so cool.
And it maps out the room in 3D, which is good. Other than that though, solid machine, solid unit. I loved that every single 10 or 15 minutes, I kept on saying, the mopping pads are dirty and I had to keep on going back to base to clean up, really scrub it, really clean the pads. That was the newest feature I haven't seen before on any other device.
Really cool.
The self-cleaning feature.
Speaking of dirt, I'm just going to pull this out because
she's going for it.
I am the one who likes looking at the dirt after I've cleaned. I always do this with every single device I have just to see how good it actually is and how it performs. But with this one, I was quietly impressed because, check this out, guys. Ooh. Okay, when you open up the lid, you can have access to the dirty and just take a look at that. Oh, filthy. Oh my gosh, there's so much sediments on the bottom. I'm going to show you guys. Just take a look. That is brown water. And if you have a look on the bottom, there are literal sediments there.
Yeah, and one thing you need to remember is in the app, you can set how powerful you want it to be. So by default, it's like normal mode, but then you can set max plus, suction power, max. It is noisier when it does it, but you know, that's the gratitude you want.
Get the good
you
stuff.
want the good stuff when you do that. So that's pretty. All right, guys, I hope you found this amazing review of the Deebot. This is the X10 Plus edition. If you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
I am alive. I am alive. Scanning, 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 sending.